So I'm going to explain my favorite style of boondocking. And what I love doing is I love going out there and finding a nice boondock area where, open fields or mountains or streams, and find a nice place for 4 days, 3 or 4 days of just enjoying the open outdoors areas. And you get a good feeling, a nice experience from being in the middle of nowhere. My thought of this is I go 4 days boondocking and then I go 2 days on a campground. A campground that has full hookups. That way I can go there and I go 2 days, that way I'm not wasting the trip. I go up there, hook up, drain everything, start charging my battery pack back up, and then I can enjoy 2 days on a campground. Have some amenities, and because you got amenities, you can also have washer and dryer, um, even a swimming pool. There's a lot of things you can have to get yourself going again, and then after 2 days there, go out and boondock 4 more days. That's my pattern for it because then you can refresh and replenish everything and then go out and enjoy the boondocking life again. And in my opinion, I think the boondocking life is more fun because you're so much by yourself. You're not in a trailer park and you're not packed, sardine together with someone else. You're just out in the middle of nowhere. So it's, in my opinion, I just love that. And if you can get your system set up where you can go 4 days out there, and just enjoy it, then that's what you need to do. And like I said, that's what I do. It's 4 days of boondocking, 2 days campground, then you go 4 days again and 2 days again. Just seems to work pretty good for me. If you can do it a little longer, that's great for you too. So that's it for this episode. And if you like what we're doing, again, please subscribe because you all make it happen.